Last November, we made Chicken Walk for Horizon's Short Loop mobile competition, and we were thrilled when it won the most technically impressive award. Since then, it's been amazing watching players embody our silly animated chickens, dodging cars, trucks, and buses in our colorful voxel art world. And now, we've got some exciting news. Today, we're releasing a free template based on the game. That means you're free to remix it, restyle it, and make it entirely your own. But here's the even better part. You're not just getting a copy of Chicken Walk. You're getting a carefully crafted template, packed with beginner-friendly features, and some powerful TypeScript tools for advanced creators. So what do we mean by carefully crafted? Well, for starters, it's super easy to bring your own style. Swap out the environment, add new design elements, or restyle the chickens, eggs, and even the cars. The core goofy mechanics, the wobbly chicken walk, and those relentless passing cars, stay intact while you inject your own creative flair. And because we know how frustrating disorganized templates can be, we made sure everything here is neatly organized and documented. Creation should feel fun, not confusing. The README? Right here. Variables? Clearly labeled with simple instructions. Chickens? Grouped together. Eggs, timers, cars, animated trees? All neatly organized. If you're a beginner, you'll love this, because you can get a fully working version of the game running without writing a single line of code. But what if you do know TypeScript? That's where the mysterious box comes in. Inside, you'll find the entire game architecture, cleanly structured and ready for you to explore. The player manager is clearly labeled. You'll have everything you need to customize, expand, and make the game your own. We hope you enjoy the Cross the Road template, and we can't wait to see the wild, hilarious worlds you create with it.